Xiaomi MIUI 14. What has changed? What has improved over from the older version that is the Xiaomi MIUI 13? Let me walk you through this video and show you what are the things that has, well, basically improved over from the last version. Let's start. Guys, it's me, Richmond of Gadget Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So here on my table, we have the recently released POCO X5 Pro, which comes with the latest MIUI 14. And here on the other side, we have the POCO X5, which still runs under the Xiaomi UI 13. Now, we'll be putting them side by side to show you what are the things that have changed from the previous version, and we'll try to see if it has improved. It has given us a faster time in using the Xiaomi MIUI 14, or just a little bit more of a touch up from the 13 series. Now, one of the first thing that I noticed that changed here for MIUI for POCO is that it has more wallpapers to choose from, and these are some exclusive wallpapers that you can use just exclusive for MIUI 14, which is not included here on the MIUI 13. So to change, simply just select and tap to preview and apply. Set for both. And so this is my new wallpaper. Now, another thing that I noticed here from the MIUI 14 is that it has lesser bloatwares that comes together when you unbox the phone. So you can see here on the other side, there's some apps like Lazada, like Bigo Live, which is present in the MIUI 13. It's no longer present here on the MIUI 40, which is good job on that for, well, removing some of the bloatwares that is not that helpful for many of us. Now, checking some widgets over here, I think it looks quite a bit the same. Nothing much has changed, but for Xiaomi phones running the MIUI 14, there's some widgets that has added here, but probably not here on the POCO. Now, MIUI 14 for Xiaomi phones, we can see that we can adjust the folder size. But of course, I was wondering why I cannot adjust here on POCO. But basically, that's one of the changes that should be expected from the MIUI 14. And another thing that I noticed that hasn't changed here is the super icon on the Xiaomi for MIUI 14 on Xiaomi phones. We can see that once you hold down this one, you can change it. I mean, make it bigger, make it something different. And yeah, I wasn't able to do this on the MIUI 14 for POCO as well. Now, MIUI 14 for Xiaomi, all you need to do is just hold down this icon and click edit icon to do some of these changes for your icon. If you want to make it bigger, want to make it longer, if you want to make it longer on the horizontal, or just want a smaller icon. Now, just say if you want to make it big, well, yeah, just wait for it to download, and voila, you have a big icon right here. Now, probably one of the things that I noticed on the MIUI 14 is that it's a bit more optimized as compared to the 13 when using it. Using it for 2 weeks, I can say the MIUI 14 here is a lot better in terms of experience as opposed to the 13 version. Now, probably the only reason that I can find on why most of those changes hasn't been deployed on this phone is that it's still running on Android 12. Probably most of those features will be available once it hits Android 13 for the POCO X5 Pro and this one as well. Now, guys, are you excited for the Xiaomi MIUI 14? Comment on the comment section below and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads here from my channel. And so, I'm Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?